Hi guys, today let us solve another numerical based on the concept of analysis of the truss using the section method. Determine the forces in the members of the truss indicated below by method of sections. The members whose forces to be found out are GC, BC, DC and EF. Now they have given us a truss with various angles and the distances along with the loads. Consider the free body diagram of the truss. A is a hinge support and E is a roller support. Hence, vertical reaction RA and horizontal reaction HA acts on the point A and the reaction force RE acts at E. Also, a 2.5 kN load acts at points G and F along with the 1.5 kN load acting vertically at point B. Now, summation H is equal to 0. Here, there is only one horizontal force, that is HA, and hence HA will be equal to 0. Summation V is equal to 0 implies RA plus RE minus 1.5 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 is equal to 0. Hence, we get RA plus RE to be 6.5. Name this equation as 1. Now, taking moments about the joint A, we have summation MA is equal to 0. That is 1.5 into the perpendicular distance 1.5 plus 2.5 into 2 plus 2.5 into 2 plus 2, that is 4, minus RE into the total distance, that is 6. Hence, we get the value of RE to be 2.875 kilonewtons. Substituting this value in equation 1, we get the value of RA to be 3.625 kilonewtons. Now, consider triangle BAG. This angle will be 90 degrees. Hence, applying the cos property, we have cos 30 is equal to AB divided by AG, that is AB by 2. Hence, we get the value of AB to be 1.732 meters. Now, let us draw the section lines. In this problem, there will be two section lines, that is section 11 and section 22. Section 1 passes through the unknown members BC and CG, and section 2 passes through the unknown members DC and EF. Now consider the LHS of the section 11. It consists of joints A, B and G. Reaction force, that is RA, of 3.625 acts at point A, 2.5 kN load at G, 1.5 vertical load at B, and also FBC acting on joint B and FGC acting at joint G along with FGF. Now, summation MG is equal to 0. Hence, taking moments about the point G, we have 3.625 into 2 minus 1.5 into 0.5 plus FBC into 1. This will be equal to 0. Hence, we get the value of FBC to be minus 6.5 kilonewtons, which is a compressive force. Now, summation V is equal to 0. Hence, we have FBC sin 30 plus FGC sin 60 plus 3.625 minus 1.5 minus 2.5 to be equal to 0. Hence, on solving, we get the value of FCG to be 4.18 kilonewtons, that is a tensile force. Now, consider section 22. Consider the RHS for the section. Hence, here there will be two joints D and E, where the reaction force RE acts on the joint E along with the force FEF, and also the forces FCD and FDF acting at joint D. Now, taking moment about the point D, we have summation MD is equal to 0, that is minus 2.875 into 1.5 plus FEF into 0.866. This will be equal to 0. Hence, we get the value of FEF to be 4.979 kilonewtons, that is a tensile force. Now, summation V is equal to 0 implies FCD sin 30 minus FDF sin 60 plus 2.875 will be equal to 0. Hence, we know that FDF is equal to 0, which implies FCD will be minus 5.749 kilonewtons. That will be a compressive force. Hence, we have found out the forces and the nature of these forces of all the four members which have been asked in the question. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magas videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at ClassFly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.